If you want to install apps from unknown sources on Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus, what you need to do is you need to go to Settings. Next in here, we're gonna scroll down and we need to find the Privacy Protection. And then in Privacy Protection, we want to go to Special Permissions. Now in here, look for Install Unknown Apps. And then in here, we need to choose the app for which we want to allow to install apps from unknown sources. So for example, if you used the Chrome browser in order to download an app, and now you want to use the Chrome browser to install it, we need to allow the Chrome browser to install unknown apps over here by tapping on this switcher. And for example, if you use the Files app by Google instead, then of course you want to do that in here. And if you tap on the switcher, you will need to select that you are aware of possible risks, and after 10 seconds you can press OK. And after that you can install an app using the selected app. Subscribe to my channel.